Hey guys, welcome back to my channel shuhur.azizuddin. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and do subscribe my channel and do share this video because this video is a tutorial of Shotcut, how you want to rewind your video. So this is the step that you need to know. So open your Shotcut and this is your screensaver, and then click to playlist. After that, choose your video, drag into your playlist and drag the video into your timeline. Okay, as you can see, this is the actual video. So how you want to rewind it? You click to properties, then you drag it down, click reverse, okay, and then you click OK. And then this is the progress. So you can click up here cards also. There is few tutorials how to add subscribe, how to cut your video and everything. So everything's done. No chat. So you can check my card above here. There's a playlist of tutorial shortcut, and then you can see the add, subscribe, add text and everything. So as you can see, this is the rewind video or reverse video. Done. So that's for today. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel and see you again. Bye.